So if your Twitch isn't sending your verification code, you want to start by double checking that you entered the correct email address or phone number, including the right country code if you're using SMS. Next, refresh the page and request a new code. But wait for a few minutes to avoid rate limits. Check your spam or junk folder, and if you're using a Gmail, look under the promotion tab. Make sure your inbox isn't full and that your phone has a stable signal. If you're using a VPN or a blocker, temporarily turn it off and try again. Also, here, Twitch said that if you still don't have received it, you want to restart your mobile device. Ensure that your notifications are turned on. You want to also make sure that your Authy app is up to date and sync, and ensure that you don't have or turned on your do not disturb mode. And that's all. If nothing works, you want to go to Twitch support, then choose login issues and submit a ticket so they can manually help verify your account.